I think conducting these conferences help these medical students open new doors for them. They think differently. They will understand, appreciate what is happening on a national and international level, and they can grow with it. I'm super amazed. This is the first time I'm coming to RMI, and I knew about the hospital. I kept on hearing about it in the United States. It's a very nice institution, but coming here was even more amazing. When I was a medical student, the first house job that I received was at NICVD, National Institute of Cardiovascular Disease, and I worked under Surgeon Rehman. The new trends are to find medications and treatments and do the research and bring new molecules for the patients so they can have a better life. They should be changing people's life, getting rid of the disease state.